So how do you reset the iPad operating system, the iPadOS? Let me explain how it works. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more so you never miss anything important. So of course the iPadOS gets like the regular software updates. You can find it in a general in a software update, but if you update it to like a latest version, it is very hard to downgrade and go to the previous version. So you shouldn't really update if you don't really want to, even though it's like secure and all of these security updates are part of the latest versions. But if you once you upgrade, it's very hard to go back. I mean, you technically can, but it requires you to use a computer and download like the actual software as a file onto the computer. You would use a website, something like iPSW.me, where you can literally just look up the specific iPad model and download that particular software version which you want to downgrade to. But it's not like you can downgrade to like very old versions. You can probably go back to the earlier one, but not really anymore because there are these like signed and unsigned updates, and you can only go back to those which are still signed by Apple, if that makes sense. So if there is still like this green check mark, you could technically download that file of the operating system onto your computer, connect the iPad through the cable, and install it through the iTunes or Finder, and technically go back to the previous version. But it's not very practical, and generally speaking, it is better to be on the latest version because all of the security patches are part of that. So that's how it works. I just wanted to explain it. Let me know how you feel about that below in the comments. Stay tuned for more explanations and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.